Hello students, I am from St. Angeles Public School. Today we will continue chapter number 8 of class 5th. In this chapter we will study about different types of measurement. Today we will discuss about capacity. So let's start. Unit of capacity. There are different unit of capacity from smallest to the largest unit like milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. The smallest unit is milliliter, whereas the largest unit is kiloliter. Unit just greater than milliliter is centiliter, then deciliter, then liter, then decaliter, then hectoliter, then kiloliter. Liter is the standard unit. You can find the capacity usually in liter. Now, why there is a need to convert capacity in different units? The answer to this question is simple. The capacity that are to be added or subtracted should have same unit. If not, they you have to convert them to make same. How do we convert unit? When we convert smaller units to biggest units, we divide. And when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. When we convert milliliter to centiliter, we divide by 10. Centiliter to deciliter, we divide by 10. Deciliter to liter, we divide by 10. Liter to decaliter, we divide by 10. Decaliter to hectoliter, we divide by 10. Hectoliter to kiloliter, we divide by 10. In this way, we can convert smaller unit to bigger unit. Now, if we convert kiloliter to hectoliter, we multiply by 10. Hectoliter to decaliter, we multiply by 10. Decaliter to liter, we multiply by 10. Liter to deciliter, we multiply by 10. Deciliter to centiliter, we multiply by 10. Centiliter to milliliter, we multiply by 10. In this way, we convert bigger unit to smaller unit. Let's take part Q of question number 1 from exercise 8.1. Convert 76 hectoliter 54 decaliter into deciliter. Here you have to convert bigger units to smaller units. So let's solve. The unit gap between hectoliter and deciliter in 3 units. So we have to multiply by 10 3 times. So 1 hectoliter is equal to 1000 deciliter. Hence 76 hectoliter is equal to 76 multiply 1000 deciliter is equal to 76,000 deciliter. Now the unit gap between decaliter and deciliter is 2 units. So we have to multiply by 10 2 times. So 1 decaliter is equal to 100 deciliter. Hence 54 decaliter is equal to 54 multiply 100 is equal to 5400 deciliter. So 76 hectoliter 54 decaliter is equal to 76,000 plus 5400 deciliter is equal to 81,400 deciliter. Now let's take part M of question 2 from exercise 8.1. Convert 4329 milliliter into liter. In this question you have to convert smaller unit to bigger units in all parts. So let's solve. The unit gaps between milliliter and liter is 3 units. So we have to divide by 10 3 times. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. Hence 4329 milliliter is equal to 4329 upon 1000 liter. When we divide any number by 1000, then place a decimal point before 3 digits from right end. So we get 4.329 liter as answer. So do carefully part M2R of question 1 and question 2 each. Exercise 8.1 is your homework. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.